So today we're going to learn 3 different ways of playing Altissimo G. This is for alto and soprano saxophones. So I wrote out the fingerings actually for these. Hopefully you can see that up here pretty well. And we're going to start with the first one. So this one is the top key on saxophone, right up here. Hopefully you can see that. Right. And then we've got the first finger in the lower stack, so F key right there, and this top side, this one right here. So just like that, and the top key here. So that's the way it sounds. That's probably the most common fingering. For alto, we're going to try 2 more. So if you just take a look at the second one. So you've got 1 closed in the first finger, 3, 1, and 3. So kind of looks like this. This one, that, and that, and don't drop the horn, and that right there. And these are all with the octave key, keep in mind. Alright, so second one, first one, second one, that one I'm not as comfortable with. And then this last one is just the very top key, open, and octave key. I think this works a little bit better for tenor, actually. I'm not a tenor player, but we'll try that one as well. Yeah, that one's really squirrely on this saxophone, specifically. So that's that third one. Back to the second one, and the first one. I really recommend this first one mostly, but that's what it looks like on the staff. And there are several more fingerings for this note too. Maybe we'll go over those at a later date. But you can try these and see which one feels comfortable for you. So see you next time.